everyone. Welcome back to Math with Miss Dawn. I am so excited to talk to y'all today about doing math in different kinds of ways. So this week, we're not going to solve all of our math problems the same way we have almost all year with a four-step process. That's only one way to do math. We are going to go over how to do that one more time. Just refresh your memory. We're going to talk about two other ways we can also do math. We can do math using a number line. You can see right up here on our screen. Or the other way is we can use the algorithm. You could talk to your parents about the algorithm because that's how we used to do math when me and your parents were in school. They might call it the old school way. So let's look at the screen and do this first question together. It says, I can add numbers in any order. I can start with 468 and add 219, or you can just start with 219 and add 468. So the question we're doing is we're trying to find what 219 plus 468 is. A lot of times when I see people add, they normally start with a bigger number and add the smaller number. However you want to do it is fine. We're still adding the same things. So it doesn't matter if you do it one way or the other. So let's use this number line right here. Our number line, when we do that, we're going to start with a big number because it's a little bit easier. We're going to add our smaller number to it. So our big number was the 468, which we started with right here. So we're going to need to add 219. So when you add 219, we can break that down to tens, hundreds, ones, tens, and hundreds if we wanted to. And that's a really easy way to do things on the number line. So let's start with our hundreds place, okay? So it says we're going to add 219. If you remember, when we did our expanded form last week and our standard form, 219 right here is in standard form, but we could write it in expanded form to help us use our number line. The expanded form of 219 is 200 plus 10 plus 9. It's a really great way to do number lines. Number done like that. It's just a little bit easier and everything is more organized on your paper. Organization is super important when doing math. So let's start. We're going to use our little leapfrog. We're going to leapfrog 100 to 568. Then we're going to leapfrog another 100. That's going to be 668. So we've already used our 200 up here. So let's use our 10. So 668 leapfrog plus 10, that's 678. And then we're going to add 9 to the end. So 678 leapfrog plus 9 is 687. So our answer here is 687. And it was pretty easy for us to use our number line to figure that out. So our next problem, let's use our four-step process to answer that one because we're all really familiar with it. So it's 192 plus 578. So when we add, we want to find the sum. So let's make our chart. And we're trying to find the sum of 192 and 587. So right here, we have 587, and we are going to add, so we're going to add on 192. So the problem they put here for us, right here at number 1, we're going to use in our box over here. It's going to be I'm going to start with the big number, 587 plus 192. So let's do our chart. So for our 587, oh, sorry about that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to add 192. So we add 100, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. 1, 2. So it's really important that we group things together and move it back to all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, not quite enough. Move them next door. So we have 9 in our 1 spot. Let's move the 10s. There are a lot of 10s here. Sure, we can bundle some up and then move the next door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, right here is 10. We're going to bundle those up and move it next door. So let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 left. So not quite enough to bundle anymore, but we have 7 in 10's place. And let's count our hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer here is 779. So how did we added 587 and 192 to equal 779. All right, super easy. So are great at doing this four-step process. You know it super well. We've been doing it for a long time. Yeah, we've been working on it more recently in the last few weeks. So let's look at question 2, and we're going to do the algorithm, the old school way of math. It's 269 plus 658. So we're going to make sure we line the numbers up. That's super important. So let's start. 269 plus 658. You want to make sure that the numbers are in the right places. Our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. Okay, that's super important that we line all the numbers up when doing math this way. We're going to start in our ones place. Add 8 plus, or 9 plus 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, so just like when we bundle them up and move them next door, we're going to leave the 7 here, and we're going to move that 1 over here to the 10 spot. So let's do 6 plus 5. We can't forget to add that 1 up there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, so we're going to leave our 2 here and move a 1 right here. 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 927. All right, so don't forget there are 3 different ways you can use do the math problems this week. We can use our normal algorithm, or we can, which is our old school way of doing things, or we can use the number line, or we can use our four-step process like we always do. Try to use a different process for each question you work on this week to show me all the great skills you have and all the different ways you know how to do math. All right, guys, I hope you have a